PDF extractor. With this tab, we can easily extract data from any number of PDF files and export it directly to an Excel file. The first step is to go to Load PDF and select the first PDF file, which will appear right away in the preview window on the right. Using Select Area, we can highlight the specific sections of data we want to extract from the PDF. You can mark multiple areas as needed. Next, go to Add PDFs to add as many PDF files as you want. Once everything is ready, click Process PDFs to extract the data. From Export, we can export all the extracted data to an Excel file. As you can see, the first column contains the file name, the next one has the sheet number extracted from the PDF, followed by the sheet name, and the last column shows the file name without the extension. Here, we can insert the extracted data into an existing Excel sheet without deleting the other data already in the sheet. Only the data starting from the selected cell will be replaced. To do this, enable Insert Mode, turn off Include Header and Include File Name, then choose the sheet name and the starting cell where you want to place the data. Finally, we have the comparison feature that checks the file name against the internal sheet number. Simply enable Compare with File Name, set the starting cell, and click Export. The program will automatically highlight the mismatched numbers and mark No in the Match column for files that don't match. And that wraps up the second tab, PDF Extractor. Next, we'll move to the third tab to help you organize your files better.